The Health Guardians, a journey with Maya and the state government. In the bustling town of Shantipur, there lived a curious young girl named Maya. One day, while playing with her friends, she noticed something strange. The local clinic, usually quiet, was now crowded with people. Worried, Maya ran home and asked her grandmother, Dadi, what's happening at the clinic? Her grandmother smiled and said, Ah, Maya, you're about to learn something important. Let me tell you the story of how our state government is like a guardian angel, always watching over our health. Dadi began. Every state has a team of dedicated people who work together to keep us healthy. They are part of the state government, and their job is to make sure we have hospitals, doctors, and medicines when we need them. Imagine them as invisible guardians, always protecting us. Maya's eyes widened with curiosity. But how do they do that, Dadi? First, Dadi explained, these guardians create a shield for us, called health policies. These are rules and plans they make to prevent diseases, ensure clean water, and provide vaccinations. This shield is our first line of defense. Maya imagined a glowing shield protecting the town from dark clouds. Do they always know what we need? Yes, Dadi replied. They study what's happening in every part of the state, and then they make policies to keep us safe. Dadi continued. Next, the state government builds fortresses, our hospitals and clinics. These places are our safe havens, where doctors and nurses, our everyday heroes, work. The state makes sure they have all the tools and medicines they need to help us. Maya pictured a shining fortress on a hill, with doctors in white coats standing guard. So, the hospitals are like our forts? Exactly, Dadi said. And just like in a fortress, the state ensures there's always enough food and supplies. Only here, it's medicines and equipment. The Watchtower Public Health Monitoring. But how do they know when something's wrong? Maya asked. Dadi chuckled. The state has watchtowers all around us called public health monitoring systems. They keep an eye on diseases, like soldiers watching the horizon for danger. If there's a sign of trouble, like an outbreak, they raise the alarm and everyone gets to work. Maya imagined a tall watchtower with vigilant guardians scanning the land. That's how they keep us safe from sudden illnesses? Yes, Dadi nodded. They act quickly to prevent the danger from spreading. The healers' army, doctors, and health workers. Dadi smiled and said, but a fortress is only as strong as its defenders. The state government recruits and trains an army of healers, doctors, nurses, and health workers. They are the ones who care for us when we're sick, guided by the state's wise plans. Maya thought of the doctors she had seen at the clinic. They're like the knights in the stories, aren't they? Yes, Maya, Dadi replied. There are knights, always ready to fight off illness and keep us healthy. The magic potions, health schemes, and insurance. Dadi leaned closer, whispering, there's also something magical the state provides, health schemes and insurance. These are like magic potions that help families afford treatments when they need them. No one should suffer just because they can't pay. Maya imagined a glowing potion bottle that healed people when they drank it. So these schemes help everyone get treated? Yes, Dadi answered. The state ensures that even the poorest among us have access to healthcare. The battle against the darkness crisis management. But Dadi, Maya asked, what happens when something really bad happens? Like a plague? Dadi's face grew serious. That's when the state's guardians are truly tested. They gather all their forces, doctors, medicines, and even the people, to fight the darkness. They set up emergency camps, provide special care, and make sure no one is left alone in the dark. Maya shivered, thinking of the dark clouds, but felt safe knowing the guardians were there. And they always win, right? They do, Dadi said softly, because they never give up on us. The Guiding Star collaboration with central government. Finally, Dadi concluded, our state guardians don't work alone. They follow the guiding star of the central government, which helps them with extra resources and bigger plans. Together, they ensure the entire land is safe and healthy. Maya imagined a bright star in the sky guiding all the guardians. So they work together like a big team? Yes, Dadi said, they are a team, and their goal is always our well-being. Conclusion. The Guardian's Legacy. Maya looked up at her grandmother with admiration. Dadi, our state government really is like a guardian, always watching over us. Dadi hugged her and said, yes, dear, They are the unsung heroes, always there making sure we live healthy and happy lives. And now you know, so you can tell others about these wonderful guardians. Maya smiled, feeling proud of the guardians protecting her town. And from that day on, she made sure to share their story with all her friends, spreading the word about the incredible work of the state government in health.